Hey guys, welcome back. Hope you had a great weekend. Last time sorry, excuse me, we forecasted two paths, right? So number one was that, you know, we were either gonna reject this 4250 area, right, and come down to make a new low, or if the market could close over this 4261, then we could have, kind of a rally up to this 4400, right, 4450 mark before we come down. So far we are kind of following this green path, right? And for now, like let's just say like this is gonna be the end of your wave three, right? This level here at 4385, 4400, right? We're probably gonna have a little bit of pullback the first couple of days this week, and then I think we have the wave five to the upside before we come down. So for now, this is kind of the short-term forecast, right? I mean, whether you're bullish or bearish at this point, we are gonna retrace, and from there, right, one of two things is gonna happen. Number one, right, we're either gonna come down again for the next leg lower, right? Or number two is that this entire thing is your wave one, right? We come down for the wave two, in which case, right, the next significant thing, right, would look something like this, where this is, right, a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this would kind of be what your bullish path would look like. But again, we would obviously need to see, right, the retracement and where we reject and stuff like that before, we kind of can draw conclusions on whether it's bullish. So far, this is just an oversold bounce, right? Off a very significant trend line, right? Off a very significant trend line. So yeah, I did give you this as another scenario, so I am not surprised this happened, right? But a lot of people are, oh my God, look at this rally, we're gonna optimize. Yeah, we're not. Like, there's a lot to do before you can make that assumption about the market. Anyway, with that being said, right, we go back and look at the dollar again. You can see that we rejected this, right? And then we broke the support and we've had a massing selling off. So yeah, so far the dollar has remained weak, right? As long as it's under 105, advantage the bulls. So keep an eye on this 105.6, 105.7 level, right, in the market. And you go look at the wicks, right, on the 4-hour chart, and you can see that this again is an ABC pattern, right? And then we've rejected, come down. So ideally, right, the wicks either makes a higher low, or it comes down to fill this gap at $11 before it bounces. So with that being said, let's kind of look at this week's watch list. The first one I have is NVDA. Again, the same, the wave three, wave four kind of pattern that I've put on the market is kind of the same thing that you'll see across in most stocks. So I am looking for either a pullback immediately, right, to 440, or I could see that, right, wave three finishing, right, Monday morning before we come down for a wave four, before it goes up for a wave five. So that's what I have on NVDA. On Apple, on the other hand, right, this is the long-term, the downtrend channel we have rejected there. And you can see on earnings, that's where it failed to break out and we've come down. So if Apple can break over 177, 177.5, then again, this would be a breakout, right, from July, August, September, October, 4-month breakout, right? So, and it could, at least rally to 183. So that's why I have Apple as well on this week's watch list. The next one I have is Coin. Again, you can see that this is the resistance level, right? So if the market does want to rally, Coin is lagging compared to other miners. So I do think Coin could again have a decent bounce, maybe to 92, 95, right, if it can break over 88. So that's what I have on Coin. And then the next one, right, the last but not the least, what I have on the market is BA. Again, this is it, if it rejects off 197 and can break 195 again, right, then we could probably come down to 190 and even down to 180. But yeah, you would need to see a rejection like this happen for Boeing. Otherwise, if we don't reject, then you can see here, right, I draw another trend line, you can see that we have broken out. So if it breaks out at 198, then I definitely could see this rally higher. Anyway, that's all for this week. Thank you so much. Have a great day.